Well, hello, my YouTube friends. You all know me as Artist Ben7, and I have several videos here on YouTube, and I'm glad that I can put them out and share them with all you. You know that I do comedy sketches. I guess you'd call them comedy. And I do gardening, and I also am an artist. So all those videos are on YouTube, but I want to add a new one, something that you didn't know about me. So I'm going to share my photography with you. And I do like nature. Even though I do, a lot of comedy sketches and stuff like that, there's other parts of my life that I like to share with people. So I'm not a professional photographer. I have been doing it for years. But I love nature with a passion, and all the life that makes up nature. So sit back, relax as I take you through my photography. Most of the pictures that you'll be seeing are of Pennsylvania, where I'm at now, south central Pennsylvania. But this is from all over the state because I did a lot of traveling doing photography. So enjoy. Ice was formed up on this little stick sticking out of the creek. Looks like a mushroom. Nature is so fantastic. Wow. For you people that haven't been out there, I hope these pictures will enlighten you and want to make you go out to nature. Look at all the things that people who miss out on nature, this is what they miss. I have a good eye for things, I think, and I don't want to miss out on anything. I love the reflections. That's gorgeous. Light fog on the lake with the sun coming up. Wow. And I remember all these pictures, each one that I took brings back memories. Excuse me. A sandal that someone left behind from the summertime now has a light dusting of snow on it. I thought that was kind of cool. I love old buildings. Time and history. and what weather does. Dense fog over the lake. I'm a veteran, so this one really pulls at my heartstrings. Who wouldn't want to be out in this? Just sit there along the side of the lake and watch the sun go down. After a light rain, this rose looks amazing. This is a blackbird up on a gutter. This fawn was as curious about me as I was about it. Mom wasn't too far away. I saw her through the trees. Very playful. This is the back roads of Pennsylvania. You'll see a lot of this. It's a blue heron. Another beautiful sunset in Pennsylvania. I hope you enjoyed this little tour of my nature photography. It's something that's real close to me. It means a lot to me. When I go out in nature, I bring it back home with me in my mind. But it's so much cooler when you can snap a picture of it, put it in a frame, and hang it on your wall. And every day that you pass by it, it brings back that memory of the time that you were there. We do it with family pictures. We do it with special events. We do it with nature. And sometimes we have to take pictures for work. Those maybe aren't so exciting, but anyhow, you get the point. If you'd like to know more about my photography, go ahead and leave a question in the box below. If you liked my video, I'd appreciate a like. You don't have to, but if you want to, I'd appreciate it. I appreciate all you people who have subscribed to my channel, and I hope that you're enjoying everything that you see, from my gardening to me acting crazy in my comedy improvs, and my art, and my photography now, so you know a little bit more about me. Anyhow, thank you for taking this little journey with me, and I will see you on the next YouTube video.